So what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be revealing to you an amazing strategy you can use to make money online with CPA marketing like I am doing right now. And this strategy just requires you to go on to combining two platforms, which is actually CPAGRIP right here, and also this platform called the PropellerADS.com. And if you do stick onto this video, I'm going to show you how I actually go on to using this platform to get a lot of traffic to my CPA marketing offers. And with these guys, you can actually go on to getting your first 1,000 lead very fast to your CPA marketing offers. All you need to do is to stick on, watch this video to the end, and learn this simple strategy right now. And if you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you do like such content, scroll through my channel. You'll be able to see a lot of cool and amazing videos you can utilize to go on to boosting your income. Also come right here and make sure you do go on to subscribing to my channel, smash the like button, and also turn on your notification bell on all so that I do alert you whenever I release videos that will be helpful to you in boosting your income online. So diving right back into the video of today. First of all, you want to get an account created on a CPA marketing platform like the CPAGRIP right here. And if I do go on to login into my account, you want to come onto a page such as this right here by going onto the offer tools, select my offer tools right here and select my offers, of which you should be brought to a page such as this. And you can go on to filtering your offers to any country of your choice, target any demographic which you want to just simply focus on. And you can see right now, if I select payout, it's going to take me from the highest paying offer to the lowest on CPAGRIP right here, which is the United States demographic. And these are all cool sweepstake offer. Supposing I want to promote one right here such as this one, which is actually for you to go on to gaining access or winning $10,000 giveaway right now. You can actually see right here that this is actually for you to gain access to a sweepstake or stand a chance to win this sweepstake, which is for a $10,000 giveaway. It's an Apple iOS offer, also an email and zip submit offer, and the payout is about $2.22. Here's the unique affiliate link to promoting this offer. What you want to do is to copy this link and go on to creating a simple landing page to promote this, maybe with the platforms like Webflow, Systemy.io, which you can actually see right here, the Breezy.io, Google sites, Warrior Plus, and other landing page builder sites out there. So take out your time, create a simple landing page. If you don't know how to create one, come onto my channel right here, and you want to just simply go on to selecting the search icon, which you can see right now. And all you need to do is to go on to typing in landing page. And if I do type in landing page and click on enter right now, it's going to show me a lot of videos I created for you on how you could go on to creating a simple landing page right now. As you can see, this video right here is going to show you how you could create a landing page for the Google site. This one is going to reveal to you how you could create a landing page using the Systemy.io. I have some right here that will show you how you could create landing pages on Webflow and on other landing page builder sites out there. So take out the time, watch such videos as they could be helpful to you right now. And what you want to do next is to actually go on to creating a landing page. After creating your landing page, make sure it's linked to this CPA marketing offer right now, and we're gonna go on to promoting that using this platform called PropellerADS.com. So if you do head on to PropellerADS, you will find out that this is actually an advertising platform you can take advantage of right here. As you can see, it's the smart users acquisition for media agencies, brands, and affiliates. It is multi-source advertising platform with over 1 billion plus global audience to reach new users and grow your business. All you need to do is to click on start and sign up for this platform for absolutely free. Once you do sign up, you can log into your account and be brought to a page such as this. Come onto this section, click on add funds, and go on to funding your account right there, because you'll be able to see some options that are available to you which you can use to go on to funding your account. Options include the bank card, Union Pay, PayPal, Skrill, and Add Cash. And you can actually utilize these platforms right here to fund your account. Then go on to clicking on create campaign. Once you do click on create campaign right now, you want to just simply follow these basic details to go on to creating your account or creating a campaign. Right now I'm just going to put in something like CPA offer right here as the name of this particular campaign. I'm going to select the notification format which I want to use right here, and I usually prefer the push notification format. For the push notification types, I'm actually going to leave this as it is first because I'm going to turn off this in-page push. But for the pricing model, I'm going to select the cost per click, turn off the in-page push once more, and go on to pasting in the link to that CPA marketing offer. So if you want to paste in the link to the CPA marketing offer directly, you can actually do that by copying the link right here and head on to that particular platform to paste in that particular link. But if you're actually using the landing page, you want to paste in the landing page link instead in this section. Once you do that right here, you can actually go on to selecting the traffic source, either the exclusive inventory or the partner traffic. I'm going to turn off the partner traffic and leave that only on exclusive inventory. For the user activity, leave that as it is right here. For the country, you want to select the country that offer is available to, and since that offer is available to the United States, I'm just going to come right here, select that particular demographic. I'm going to fix in a cost per click price, and you can see the recommended right here is about 0.09, and I'm just going to select something above the recommended, which should be 0.12 right now. I'm going to leave it as it is right here, and you could actually go on to filtering your offers based on cities right here or by states. You can target based on cities or by states. I'm going to leave that on cities right here, and if you want to just simply focus on targeting people in a certain city, you can include that particular city right here in this section. And right now guys, you want to just simply scroll through to this advertising budget and fixing the amount you want to utilize right here. Supposing I want to just simply go on to inserting a total campaign budget of, let me say, about $150 right here. And guys, you can see right here that for a daily budget right here, you're not going to spend less than $30 right now. So you actually need to put in something slightly from $30 and above. So if I do put in $30 right here, you can see that since I'm actually using a daily campaign budget of $30, it's not going to exceed using $30 a day for my campaign right now. And this is a total campaign budget which I put for this campaign right here. This actually indicates that it's not going to exceed spending more than $150 right here for this campaign. And this also indicates that if I'm actually spending $150 for the campaign and I'm using a $30 campaign budget for each day, it actually means that my offer is actually going to last, or my campaign is actually going to run for about 5 days right there, because 30 times 5 will actually give you $150. So right now you want to just simply come right here and select the targeting platform. I'm going to select mobile. For the OS, I'm going to just simply make sure that you do select something that quite fits into this offer, which is the Apple iOS. So since I cannot actually see the Apple iOS, I'm going to select one that actually fits into this, and this is actually for Android right here, the same offer. So I'm just going to head back to that platform and actually select Android. So right now you can actually fix on other sections if you do want to. For the interest, I'm going to select giveaway right now, and for the gender specificity, I'm going to leave that on touched right there. So for the age, I'm going to leave that as it is right now. And you want to come onto this section which says creative, and this is where you're going to edit how you want your ad to go on to looking like. So for the title right here, I can actually use exactly the same title as in CPAGRIP. So I'm just going to copy this title right now. If I copy that, head back to PropellerADS and actually paste that right here, you can see right here that I didn't actually exceed the maximum amount of characters I can use for the title. So for the description, you want to just simply do something similar right now. I'm going to copy this simple description right here, head back to that platform and go on to pasting that right in this section. So you can see right here that I've actually exceeded the maximum amount of characters I can actually go on to using. So what I'm going to do right here is to actually come onto this section and reduce these characters right now. So once I reduce it to something like this, you can see it says enter now, or enter your information now to win. And once I put that right here, I also need images which I want to use right now. Supposing I want to use that exact same image from this particular offer, you want to right click on the image, click on save image as, and go on to saving this image on your device right here. As you can see, if I do click on save, the image will be saved on my device. I can actually then head back to PropellerADS and go on to clicking on upload to upload that image right now. So once I select the image, I'm going to select which section I want to actually show right now. Maybe I'm going to leave it as this section right here. Now for the landscape section, you want to just simply do something similar right now. So right here you can see this actually fits in properly. I'm going to just simply cut that, and you're going to see the preview section, how the ad is actually going to look for Android devices, for the Windows devices, and also for the Mac OS devices. Once this is done, you can duplicate a scene or a creative, and you can actually go on to creating more creatives. And it is quite advisable you do create at least 4 creatives right now, because that actually helps you go on to boosting your chances of getting better conversions to that particular offer. You can see that for each creative, you actually need to go on to using a different text combination, a different banner, or a different photo, a different title. Use something completely different from the previous creatives, and that will actually help you go on to boosting your chances of getting better conversions to that offer. Once you're done, agree to the terms of services and click on start campaign, and your campaign will begin to run on this platform, and your chances of boosting your income with CPA marketing will actually skyrocket right here, as you'll be able to get lots and lots and lots of leads every single day just by utilizing this strategy and go on to making a lot of money online. And I do hope this video was helpful. If it was, do smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell on all right there, so that I do alert you whenever I release some amazing videos that could be helpful to you in boosting your income online. And guys, you can actually do check out the video which you can see on the screen right now to go on to learning other ways to make money online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.